Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to our channel. So you have seen me in a lot of rides. I take this bike and I take my car and the other bike as well. We take the scooty as well. So you can see nowadays because of rain, it's accumulating a lot of dirt on that. See on the bike here, a lot of dirt. It's hard. I mean like rock solid dirt. You can definitely see it will not go by with any of the pressure washers. So I did a lot of research online and I found this one. This one is from JPT, Johar Power Tools. This is made in India. So I've seen Bosch and Black & Decker, but then they were not powerful enough and they were very expensive. And this is the one that I found. It is actually 2300 watts and 120 bars, and it can spray around 480 liters per hour. That is around 8 liters every minute. So this was my choice. I know it is not a most branded one, but it's most compatible one and the most commercial version one. And I'm not giving you a review, it is just the first impression. And I have heard about it a lot on the YouTube, that it has a very good reviews. You can even cut a brick with the pressure. And so let me just quickly unbox it and then show it to you. So what do we get in the box? So this is the main machine. This is the 2300 watts, the most powerful one within the budget. This is coming for around less than 10,000 rupees. So you can, as you can see, it's sturdy built and sturdily built, and then good quality, good piece of plastic they have. And along with that, there comes a hose pipe to connect it to the spray gun. This is the main spray gun. It's a shorter one that comes. You can get a long pipes to elongate it. And there is an inlet pipe as well. And they give a small foam jar, which is not useful at all. So this brings me to the reason number 2, the box number 2. So I got it separately from Amazon. This will cost you around 1,200 rupees just for the bottle. You just put your shampoo here, 100 ml shampoo, and fill the bottle with the water. Now this box, this is the biggest one. I got the shampoo, 10-liter shampoo. So this, I heard the reviews as well, good reviews about this. It's a very good product. You'll see the flow of this after using it on the car and the bike. Let's go. This machine is very simple to use. So there is this inlet pipe and then outlet pipe. And the button has this outer covering so that the water doesn't go in. And this is the inlet pipe. So you'll get a filter for the inlet pipe so that you don't, it doesn't accumulate dust, and it will avoid spoiling of your machine as well. So remove this, fix this. Easy, very easy. Can you complete? So this pipe, when you insert it in, it has to do a tuck sound. Only then it is confirmed that it has been done. Done. So this is done. It will not come out. Now it is the inlet pipe. It's outlet pipe. Take the hose and then tighten it. Tighten it and then fix the gun. The gun is also very easy. Fix it, tighten it. And this is the pipe with the different settings, and if you want to connect the foam, just disconnect this and then connect this here and you'll get a foam. So this is the basic one, and we'll show you how to spray and then clean your car and then do it. Let's do it. So that's a power of 2300 watts. Okay. So this has a